If you're planning to host webinars, choosing the right platform can make or break your results. The problem is that there are dozens of webinar platforms available today. Some are built only for meetings. Some are great for enterprise businesses, but cost a fortune. Others require you to connect multiple tools just to create a simple registration page or send reminder emails. So in this video, I'm going to show you 7 of the best webinar software platforms available right now, explain who each one is best for, and at the end, I'll reveal the platform that I believe offers the best overall value for most creators, coaches, consultants, marketers, and online businesses. If you want to try my top recommendation, you'll find a link in the description where you can start with a free 14-day trial. Now let's begin. At number 7 is Zoom Webinars. Almost everyone knows Zoom. It's reliable, familiar, and works well for live presentations. If your audience already uses Zoom every day, getting people into your webinar is easy. However, Zoom was originally designed for meetings, not marketing. Once you want registration pages, email automation, evergreen webinars, lead generation, analytics, or paid webinars, you'll quickly realize that you need additional tools. That means more subscriptions and more complexity. For businesses already invested in the Zoom ecosystem, it's still a solid option. But if you're starting from scratch, there are better all-in-one alternatives. Next is GoTo Webinar. GoTo Webinar has been around for years and has built a reputation for reliability. Large organizations often use it for internal training and corporate presentations. The downside is that its interface feels dated compared to newer platforms. It also focuses heavily on enterprise customers, which means pricing can become expensive for smaller businesses. If you're a coach or content creator, there are more modern solutions available today. Coming in at number 5 is Livestorm. Livestorm has become popular because everything runs directly inside the browser. There's nothing for attendees to install, making it easy for people to join from desktop or mobile devices. It also offers integrations and collaboration features for business teams. Its biggest limitation is that many advanced capabilities depend on higher-priced plans, so costs can increase as your audience grows. Still, it's an excellent browser-based webinar solution. At number 4 is Demio. Demio focuses on creating clean and engaging webinar experiences. It offers polls, chat, handouts, automated webinars, and a very polished interface. Many marketers appreciate how simple it is to use. However, once you compare pricing and included features, you may notice that some functionality available by default on competing platforms requires higher plans. For agencies and marketing teams, Demio remains a strong contender. Now, let's talk about WebinarJam. WebinarJam is especially popular among affiliate marketers and digital product sellers. Its biggest strength is live selling. You get interactive chat, offers, attendee engagement tools, and webinar marketing features designed to maximize conversions. However, if you're looking for an all-in-one business platform with landing pages, email automation, AI tools, and course delivery included, you may still need additional services. That brings us to number 2, Microsoft Teams Webinars. If your company already uses Microsoft 365, Teams can be a logical choice. Security, collaboration, scheduling, and internal communication are excellent. For corporate training and enterprise events, it performs very well. But for coaches, creators, consultants, and entrepreneurs trying to generate leads or sell products, it simply wasn't designed with marketing in mind. Now it's time for my number 1 recommendation, WebinarNinja, the all-in-one AI webinar platform to generate leads, grow sales, and teach better. If you've ever felt frustrated managing 5 different subscriptions just to host one webinar, WebinarNinja solves that problem surprisingly well. Instead of using separate tools for a webinar, landing page builder, email software, analytics platform, And course platform, WebinarNinja brings everything together inside one dashboard. That immediately saves both time and money. Creating your first webinar is straightforward. You can choose between live webinars for real-time interaction, automated webinars that run on a schedule or on demand, series webinars for multi-session courses or bootcamps, and hybrid webinars where a pre-recorded presentation plays while you're live in the chat answering questions. This flexibility means you're not locked into one presentation style. One feature I genuinely like is the built-in registration system. Instead of paying for another landing page builder, WebinarNinja lets you create professional registration pages without writing code. Your confirmation emails, reminder emails, and follow-up emails can all be automated. That means once your webinar is configured, much of the repetitive work disappears. The AI features are another major advantage. During your webinar, AI can generate live captions and produce a searchable transcript immediately after the session ends. This makes your webinars much more accessible and helps attendees quickly find important information later. Perhaps my favorite AI feature is AI content creation. Instead of letting your webinar recording sit unused, WebinarNinja can generate blog articles, follow-up emails, and social media content based on your presentation. One webinar can become an entire week's worth of marketing content with very little additional effort. Audience engagement is another area where WebinarNinja performs well. You can run live polls, answer questions, share downloadable handouts, launch timed offers, use live chat, and even invite up to 10 co-presenters into the same session. These features help keep attendees involved rather than simply watching passively. When your webinar ends, recordings become available almost immediately. You don't have to wait hours before sharing a replay with people who missed the live event. For businesses selling webinars, native Stripe integration allows you to accept payments directly without WebinarNinja charging additional service fees beyond Stripe's standard processing fees. Another bonus many people overlook is Course Ninja,
Dedicated live and on-demand course creation platform.
Every WebinarNinja subscription includes free access to Course Ninja, allowing you to create both live and on-demand courses without paying for another platform. That's a valuable addition if you sell educational content. WebinarNinja also supports unlimited registrants, unlimited webinar storage, browser-based attendance with no app downloads, and live sessions with up to 1,000 simultaneous attendees. For growing businesses, that's more than enough capacity. And because attendees simply click a link in their browser, joining your webinar is incredibly simple on desktop, tablet, or mobile devices. Customer support is another standout feature. Instead of relying only on tickets, WebinarNinja offers 24/7 phone, chat, and email support, which can make a huge difference if you're hosting an important live event. So who is WebinarNinja best for? If you're
A marketer building evergreen funnels.
a coach running client workshops, a consultant generating leads, a SaaS company giving product demos, an educator selling online courses, or a business looking to replace multiple subscriptions with one platform, WebinarNinja is one of the strongest options available today. So here's my overall ranking. Number 7, Zoom webinars. Number 6, GoTo Webinar. Number 5, Livestorm. Number 4, Demio. Number 3, WebinarJam. Number 2, Microsoft Teams webinars. And my number 1 recommendation is WebinarNinja because it combines webinar hosting, landing pages, automation, AI tools, analytics, course creation, and business-focused features into one easy-to-use platform. If you'd like to see how it works yourself, check out the first link in the description to start your free 14-day trial. And don't forget to take advantage of the free 30-day automated webinar challenge with Omar Zenhom. where you'll learn step by step how to build automated webinars that can continue generating leads and sales long after they're created. If you found this comparison helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more AI and business software reviews, and let me know in the comments which webinar platform you're currently using and why. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.